Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the audience controls on your TikTok account easy and quickly. So first enter TikTok and click on your profile section, and then click on these three lines and then go to the settings and the privacy, and then go to the audience controls, and here we have this age 18 and older. So click like this if you want to turn this on. So that's it. If you want to turn this off, just click back. And that's how to manage the audience controls on your TikTok account easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.